In this video, I want to show you how to create a Gmail account, otherwise known as a Google email account. And there's a lot of reasons why you would want to do this, besides the fact that Gmail is simply free. By having a Google account, whether it's Gmail, as I'm going to show you here, or AdWords or AdSense or some other Google account, it opens the doors for you to be able to use a lot of different applications that are free if you got a Gmail or some other type of Google account. Applications like the Google Drive or the Calendar or Google Docs and so many more. So let's go ahead and go to Gmail or Google Mail. There we are, mail.google.com. And we want to create an account. And you may encounter different ways in which you can do this, but this is just one way. So we need to enter our name first and last, choose a username, and one tip here is that if you have a domain name, you may want to try putting that domain name in here. So you have a Gmail account that can be used in conjunction with your domain name and email accounts with your domain name. Then we just throw in the password, confirm the password, put in your birthday, month, day, and year, and your gender, mobile phone if you want. If you don't have a mobile phone, just leave it blank. Put in your current email address. And frankly, in here, I just put in my main email address. And then just to prove that you're not a robot, you got this little captcha stuff to put in here. And then the location. Click on that box there to agree to the terms of service. And then click on the next step. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video real quick while I fill out all this stuff here. As you can see, it's very straightforward stuff. The only hiccup might be your desired username might already be chosen by somebody else. So again, just play around with it. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video here for a second while I fill in the blanks. Let's go ahead and throw in a hard to guess password. And if you want to use this alongside of a Google +1 account, then you make sure that box is checked. And as you saw, it's checked by default. So I'd say go ahead and leave it checked. Click on next step and see if we got everything right on this page. And we did. There's our new Gmail account right there. And we click on this here. It'll take us to the next page where we're logging in. And you got your welcome emails. And if you've got the time, I would say go through the process here to learn more in the Help Center and throughout all the Gmail stuff, more about what you can use your Gmail account for. That's going to bring us to the end of this video on creating a Gmail account. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day. Hi, in this video, I want to show you how you can quickly and easily create an email forwarder within your Gmail account. Now, once you've logged into your Google account, and in this case, I've logged in using my Gmail account, then you come on over here and you click on Gmail, if you haven't already done so. And once you're in your Gmail account, come on over here to this little gear thingy, click on that. You got a drop down that shows up, go to settings, click on that. And right up here, you want to go to forwarding and pop/IMAP. Click on that, click on add a forwarding address. Type in the address that you want all of your Gmail that comes to this particular email account. Type in the address you want those to be forwarded to. Click on next. See how simple that was? Now, that's how easy it is. So just using this as a demonstration, you want to make sure that the address you put in that forwarding box is one that you own. But you can see here, though, that you can also resend that, or you can remove it and put in a different one, which naturally, if I were doing this for real, that's what I would do. So once you've confirmed that by clicking on the link that was sent to that email address, then all of the incoming email to this particular Gmail account will now be sent to that email account. Doesn't have to be Gmail. It can be any email account that you own. Now, why would you want to have your emails forwarded? Well, several different reasons. My main reason is that I have several different Gmail accounts, and this way I do not have to log into each and every one of those Gmail accounts to see if I've got new mail. I log into one main Gmail account, or non-Gmail account for that matter, and all of my emails can be seen right there. Again, whether they're Gmail accounts or non-Gmail accounts. And whenever I reply to the people that sent me the email, it's being replied from that particular email account, not the main one. So that way I'm not confusing the people that sent me that email to gardenmaker.com@gmail.com. I'm not confusing them by them receiving an email from joe@gmail.com. they're receiving an email from this email address, even though I'm composing that email from joe@gmail.com. That's going to bring us to the end of this video on creating forwarding email addresses. Thank you very much for watching. You have a great day.